Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Dale, this channel is Flippin' Fiasco, and today is a 15-piece ThredUP jewelry unboxing. As you can see, this box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, which is only about an hour from me. I wish that they would have reopened their outlet store, but they never opened it after COVID, so that's a bummer. So let's see. Yes, we ordered this back on October 8th, so it has been sitting here for a little bit. These boxes cost $48 plus shipping, which I believe puts them right around $55 total. So, here is our box. It's been a while since I got a 15-piece box. These, I mean, you would hope that they're like a more curated box. Hasn't always been the case though, so we'll see how today goes. And I did move the tray, so we're not using a tray, we're just using poster board as our background. So let's see, this says love this life, a celebration of you and your path. It says grateful, start each day with a grateful heart. And it has these cute charms, so it's like an Alex and Ani style. I think that I have seen these at Kohl's. So, I mean, they probably sell for like $15. I'll do 8 for you guys since it is nice, brand new in the box. Next up, let's take a look at this box. And it's a pair of earrings from Daya, which I'm not familiar with. Let me get my light closer. I'm trying to get the stones in the middle, or the little balls in the middle. They have a little bit of color to them, which I was trying to show. So no price shown. I guess it might have been down here where they cut it. I'll show you testing in a few minutes, but they are sterling, so $10 for those. All right, next. Looks like maybe another pair of earrings. Oh no. Oh yes. They are earrings. So let's take a look at them. Ooh, they're very pretty. Look at all the different colors. I love leverback earrings. I've decided that that is my favorite style of earring. And then they kind of hang. I like the way they hang. So like a little askew. Why is the lighting so bad? So let's see if I bring them closer. Can you see the colors? They really are very pretty. And let's see if there's any maker's mark. I do not see anything. Very nice. So I'm going to do 8 on these. And is this another pair of earrings? Not that crazy about earrings. It's okay though. These are, so they hang this way. I don't know how much you would see, but that is what they look like. So silver tone. They could be sterling. I think that I do see a 925 mark. Yep, there it is. So I will test that off screen, but we're going to assume they are sterling silver. So I will do 10 on those. Right, I wanted to do some testing on screen for you as well. So here are these earrings, which were marked 925. And then we have these Daya earrings, which I did not see any kind of mark, but they do seem really nice. So let's go ahead and scratch them. There's our 2 scratches. They both look promising. And I'm using the 18K solution because I prefer that it lights up blue when it's sterling, and I just feel like it's easier to see. And yes, they are both sterling. All right, next, looks like some kind of lucite bangle. It does have like a lot of variation to it. There's some gold flecks. I don't see any kind of maker's mark. I feel like I should research this one a little bit more before I say a price. So I'll put it on the screen. Nice little bag here. These, the beads on this remind me of that nice piece I had at the end of my last video. This, is it one long one? I'm not sure. Is it two intertwined? Yes, it is two matching long necklaces. So one with clear stones with, do they have an AB finish? Yes, they do. Some of them do. Just like this light blue, and then some have an AB finish on them. And then they've got this gold bar in them too. So very long though. I think they could even be doubled up. But that's a neat look. Again, I don't see any kind of maker on it, so let me just do a quick search and I'll put a price on the screen. This looks interesting. It is, okay, it's a collar necklace. What is going on here? I don't quite understand it. That then comes down to these tassels and rhinestones. So it's got navy blue and then red and yellow, clear. But why does it come down like this? Strange. So let's see if we see any marks on this at all. I do not see any, but it does look like all of the stones are here, so there's nothing missing. Interesting. See if we can find anything out about that one. Next, more earrings. And they're kind of fun. They're very lightweight, but have like all this different color, the pink, red, black, white in the clear. And then this one, are they really a matching pair? They seem to be a different colorway. Let's see if we can get zoomed in on them. Why? It's not really showing up, I feel like. All right. So this one has more of like dark and reds. And then this one has so much green in it and like purple. So very interesting. I'll do 5 on those. Next, it looks like a tennis bracelet. Yes. With a nice safety clasp. Oh gosh, sorry. I didn't realize. Oops. I forgot. Okay, sorry. I forgot I was so zoomed in. So yes, nice safety clasp. Let's see if we can open it to see if there's any markings. So it's a nice tennis bracelet. I'm trying to see like these rhinestones are just, they're really set in there. And I don't know, they have like a lot of silver around them. So I should have all of my equipment here with me and I don't. So we'll come back to this one and I'll at least take the diamond test. And you got to tell me what you think. So I have my diamond selector, and I have it set, you know, between like 1 and 2, so it kind of varies between those. But it's really hard to get exactly in the middle of one of these, but it seems to be that they're diamonds. Here, wait, can I zoom out so you can see the whole thing? Because if I hit the metal, oh, it just goes up too. But I really think, here, let's zoom back in. And I'll try to get it on camera for you. See, I feel like when I get right on it, it's still registering as a diamond. So I think that I will take this item to a jeweler and see what they think about it. But again, it did have a marking. It has the nice safety class, 925 OTC. So yeah, we'll see what a jeweler wants to tell us about that one. Great. Next, we have a pair of J. Crew earrings. They even come with a little dust bag, it looks like. So yeah, we have a J. Crew dust bag and these white beaded earrings. Hypoallergenic. There's no price on the back, but I'll do 10 for those since it comes with the dust bag. Oh, and we have a matching necklace. Isn't that nice? So again, the dust bag. This is a choker length. Here's your J. Crew tag. And just a lobster clasp, but it does have multiple extenders on it. So I will do 15 for this one. Very nice. Love J. Crew pieces. All right. This piece is a necklace. Whoops. So it's got really pretty, these have to be glass, yeah. Glass stones on a nice silk cord. And let's see if we can untangle it entirely. So it does have a little stone here at the clasp area, or like where you can, you know, shorten or lengthen it, but I don't see any maker. Very nice though, in excellent condition. And I'll ask 10 on this piece. Okay, we're down to our last 3, I believe. This is a pair of earrings that are, let's see, twisted. There we go. I think they lay like this. So they do have like a tiger's eye, but it's faceted, which is different. And you can see the stones going up for the dangle. Very nice. And let's check the back. I don't see a maker down there. Do we see anything up here? I don't think so. No. No maker there. I'm gonna look these up too, just because they remind me of some Givenchy earrings that I had previously. So I just wanna make sure I know what I'm looking at here before I state a price for them. Oops. All right, second to last, we have something that is marked, This is Anne Klein. There's that lion. I'm 99% sure this is Anne Klein. And it is a nice little choker length with this dangle at the end. Kind of has like reddish, yeah. If the light is shining through it, it's really red. Yeah, you can see that. Isn't that neat? And gold tone, 2 strands. So you have the plain strand and then the one with the pendant. A little bit of extender with the lobster claw. And I will ask 8 on this piece. And our last piece looks like a long necklace. That is different. Oh, this is also a J. Crew piece. Looks like the string is not entirely removed, but let's zoom out so you can see the full length of it. So this looks like it's probably like a 24-inch length, and then it's got these like darker champagne pearls and, you know, regular pearl colored pearls and this bronzy chain. So that's different. I'm going to do 12 on this piece. All right, so those are all of our pieces. And as always, if you see anything that you're interested in, please email me, Dale@flippinfiasco.com. Thank you so much for being here, and I will catch you next time.